What's up, crypto family? I'm back with another update. Right now, we're sitting at 1125, and you can see the chart right now, how it's looking right now. You know, the highest that we shot up was in the 2500s. All right, but then we retraced back. That's our resistance, the 2500. Then we came back down, we shot back up, then we went down low. But I say by probably like next year, we should break this resistance level by January. But that's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. But for those who have bought in early, which meaning a couple days ago, especially yesterday, when it was real low, when we gained a zero, that was a good time to grab in some more coins. All right. So I got something I want to show you guys with Peter Thiel. He was talking about with the Fed will collapse and how he's buying more cryptocurrency than having US dollars, which you guys know the dollar's going to collapse. Probably no time soon, but it's potentially going to happen. All right. So I have a video at the end I wanted to show you guys, but right now, what you guys seeing right now, check this out. It's a strong buy. A strong buy. But when it's in the red, everybody doesn't want to get in. They're saying sell. You want to, like, you're losing money when you sell. Like what I said, when you invest in cryptocurrency, use money that you can afford to lose. Get what I'm saying? Don't use the money that you need for rent. Don't use any money that you need for any priorities. This is something whereas you throw some money on the side, you leave it there, and if it goes up, it goes up. If it doesn't go up, then oh well, you still got your money safe there. Okay? So I'm going ahead and play this video. Leave me your thoughts down below in the comments section. Because soon, think about it. They say the white paper with Dogelon Mars is the comic book strip. Well, it could be true, but they still need an official white paper. And I believe, like, with that white paper coming out in 2022, there's going to be some things that we would not even expect to be in there. Dogelon Mars. Dogelon Mars is going to make a lot of millionaires in this space. And as you see, it's only 119,000 people. 119,000 people that are holding Dogelon Mars. Not even 1% of the world. So right when it start catching up and we break our resistance from the 2,500 level and go beyond that, that's when a lot of people will start buying in. And when they start buying in, yeah, it's on these exchanges, the price is going to shoot up dramatically. Not just that. Once a big dog come out and say, yeah, I'm a strong believer of Dogelon Mars, we're going off the roof. We're shooting out the roof. So check this video out. Tell me what you guys think. You guys know that Peter Thiel did invest it into Methuselah. And Methuselah is connected with Dogelon Mars. Well, most of you guys like to hear it as Dogelon Mars.
And the complete bankruptcy of the Fed. It's again, we have the sort of epistemic closure in the form of everybody jumping onto MMT theories or theories that you can print as much money as you want to, there will never be inflation, at of course precisely the moment when they're wrong, precisely the moment when no dissent is allowed. I've sort of, I think one of my sort of incredibly big misses of the last decade, I did some, but not as much as I should have, was not buying enough Bitcoin, not buying enough crypto. And at $60,000 a Bitcoin, I'm still not sure that one should aggressively buy it. But surely what it is telling us is that we are at a crisis moment for the Fed. It is a canary in the coal mine. It is the crypto market is the pure money market, and it is telling us that the epistemically closed bubble around fiat money in the U.S. is heading towards some crisis point. You know, the Wizard of Oz is always this metaphor on Fed, on central banking, and I've sort of thought that maybe we're close to a Toto moment in the Fed, where the little dog is pulling the curtain aside from, you know, the holy of holies, and you realize that there's nobody there, nothing's really going on, and we've had sort of these preliminary questions about the nature of the stock trading and things like this, and, you know, without going into the details of that, it's when you start asking these questions, you know the institution is in trouble, that it is so over its limb, so out on a limb, and so much at a point where something is going to break. And again, the problem, whether it's on Fed, Afghanistan, COVID, is that we have this sort of these machines for generating consensus, uniformity, you know, and not asking dissident questions, even though they're super urgent. And as far as I can tell, the hour is late for all of these institutions, and it's more urgent than ever that we find a way to have some of these dissident voices get heard in all these different contexts.